Scott, thank you for joining me for this conversation about what is happening at Legal Aid of Nebraska.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Happy to be here.
So, can you tell me a little bit about the power of Legal Aid of Nebraska?
Well, Legal Aid of Nebraska is very unique in that we are the only statewide organization in all of Nebraska that provides free legal services in civil matters. What that means, if one is accused of a crime and threatened with jail time, our laws, our constitution say you've got a right to a court-appointed attorney if you cannot afford one. But our laws do not extend that same right to people who face a civil legal process. Namely, this is people who are sued for eviction, people who are sued by creditors, people who are terminated from benefits, people who are seeking a protection order. Those individuals are not entitled to a court-appointed lawyer. So our organization, Legal in Nebraska, fills in that needed justice gap so that anybody who cannot afford legal counsel is still able to access and obtain legal services for those instances where it is really needed and really important.
Now, you mentioned Justice Gap, and you also mentioned eviction. You are currently having a fundraising effort right now. What is that fundraising effort for?
This is specifically for our housing work, our housing justice project at Legal Aid in Nebraska. What we do at Housing Justice is prioritize loss of housing. That is, try to prevent people from losing their housing, whether they be a homeowner or a renter. We want to ensure that everybody who should be housed and is currently housed is able to maintain that and avoid court-ordered eviction. Uh, this fundraising goal would help fund the work around those evictions and ensure that we can do at least five extra cases of eviction defense work and prevent unlawful evictions.
Now, that's pretty powerful. As we think about those five extra cases, what might be possible if you're able to meet this goal?
It would shore up our capacity to help everybody who needs an attorney desperately and also on short notice. Right
Mhm.
now, we are only able to do what we can do with the resources available to us, and that often involves money and time. With funding and with enough time, we can help more people, that is intake more people and ensure representation for more people. This fundraising opportunity is going to add to the number of cases that we are funded to do in a given year. So it's less likely that we would ever say no to anybody who is applying for our services. We do have to do that sometimes because of a lack of time and a lack of financial resources. Fundraising opportunities like these really minimizes the amount of time that we will have to shut our doors and said we do not have the resources to help a family in need.
For that person who's thinking, I have $25, $50 to contribute to this effort, what would you tell them?
I said that would go a long way. If enough people feel the same way and make similar donations, it becomes one household that has an attorney that would not have had one before. If even more people do it, we have two, three, four, and our goal for five additional households as part of this fundraising push. Uh, we really rely upon the private sector to fund us because our clients do not have the resources for an attorney, and there is no money in these cases. This is simply work being done for the sake of ensuring that we are helping people stay housed and keeping them out of eviction court.